What's up guys, today I've got a detailed comparison of the Nike Mid 002 for you. If you are a fan of Nike Mid technology and you haven't been able to get a retail pair, I strongly recommend you stay away from the fake version currently on the market. Honestly, this is one of those pairs that looks obviously fake once you get onto the details. Today I'm going to break down the differences between the current fake version and the retail pair, from box all the way to the Mid tag Outsole. Box section. On top, you'll see the footprint graphic. The fake pair has a rainbow reflective outline, while the retail pair has a subtle gold reflection. The sizes are different. The box label differences are very obvious, different descriptions and different fonts. Inside the box, the fake version has very strong visible stripe textures, while the retail pair's interior pattern is much more subtle. Upper and materials. Now moving on the shoes. From far away, the fake pair might look decent, but once you get close, the flaws start showing you immediately. The nylon upper on the fake pair looks very flat and dull black, while the retail pair has a slight sheen. So the perforations on the retail pair are very clean and precise, and you can clearly see the orange nylon underneath. On the fake pair, the cuts are rough and the orange layer is less visible with a different shade. Laces and thumb. Retail laces are tightly woven, thicker and non-reflective. Fake laces are thinner, loosely woven, and reflective. The fake thumb is longer, made from cheaper non-reflective nylon, while the real thumb uses reflective nylon with much cleaner indentation work. The chrome swoosh material is also noticeably different. On the back of the thumb, retail uses fine mesh while fake uses a rough mesh. Side and midsole. The fake pair looks wrinkled overall, while retail is smooth and structured. Retail lace eyelets are matte, fake ones are reflective. Retail midsole is matte with faded embossing dots. Fake midsole is reflective and the dots all look equally deep. Heel and outsole. The heel material matches the thumb, so again fake versus retail is clearly different. Embossing and the pull tab detail don't match. The chromite logo on the fake pair looks much whiter. Now the most important part, the Mid technology outsole. There are 22 piston parts. On retail, every piston is independent. On the fake pair, they are all connected together, and that's the biggest mistake. Insole and closing. Retail has a built insole directly connected to the midsole sitting on the top of the pistons, so you can feel and even see the piston texture. Fake uses a flat structure, so there's no piston pattern, and the material and color are clearly different. I hope this comparison helps you spot the differences. After Chinese New Year, FlyKicks will be releasing a correct version using the same materials and the technology, so make sure you subscribe my channel. I will be posting an unboxing and a full comparison as soon as it drops. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support.